Welcome everyone. I'm Mohit Jain from MJ's Maths and Stats, and today again I'm here with a set of reasoning questions asked in previous year's CTS examination, question number 263 to 282. Choose that set of numbers that is similar to the set of 31, 19, 41. At first glance, I can make out these are nothing but prime numbers. This is a set of prime number, so we should be checking whether we have any set of prime numbers only, then that would be the similar to this set. 27 is not a prime number, 33, 51 are not prime, 16 is not prime. In option C, 29, 17 and 37 all are prime number. And over that, the middle one is the smallest. To the left is greater than the middle one, and to the right is greater than the left one. So I've got two similarity. Option C fits in. Number analogy. 63 is to 36 should be equals to what is to what? Okay, 63, 36. 35, 54. If I can make out, this is just palindrome. 36 is palindrome for 63. 73, 39 all gone. 94 and 49 looks palindrome and should be setted at this position. Number analogy, answer option A. Choose the odd numeral pair. We need to identify the pair which do not matches up with other pairs. 29, 31 both are odd. These two are also odd, these are also odd, these are also odd. 29, 31, if I call them, they are prime. 47, 49, 49 is not prime. 5, 7 both are prime. 11, 13 also are prime. So they were odd pairs and all prime pairs. 47, 49 both are not prime, should be the odd one out. Option B fits in. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word confused, each of which has as many letters between them in the word, in the given word, as they have between them in the English alphabetical order? And in these type of question, we may go forward and we may also come backward. So let's check. C, D, E, F matches. C, D, E, F. O, P, Q, R, S. O, P, Q, R, S. N, O, P, Q, R, no, F, G, H, I, J. S, nothing, these are lower than this. Now this was forward movement, this was also forward movement. I'm trying it with the backward movement. D, E worked. S, U, N, O worked. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pairs are such that the distance between them in this word is same as the distance between them in English alphabetical order. We have CF forward, we have OS forward, we have DE backward, and we have NO backward. So we have 4 of such pairs. Option E fits in. Question number 267. If a meaningful word can be formed by rearranging the letters U, S, C, A, L, A, what would be the first letter of the word so formed? I think we should have C, A, S, U, A, L. Casual. Casual seems to be a meaningful word and it starts with C. Option A fits in. In a code language, okay, a question from coding, decoding. In a code language, PARENT is BDFGJK, and children is written as MOXQUFGJ. Then how we are going to write reprint? Let me see. Let me use the first basic rule for coding decoding. Is there any exact code they have fit in? What is the common letter E? FGB, FXJK. Option A fits in with the very common pattern of coding. If machine is coded as this, what will be the code for danger? A very simple thing which we can remember is when alphabet is coded with help of numbers, a easy format of EJOTY always helps us in identifying these numbers easily. E is the 5th letter, J is 10th, O is 15th, T is 20th, and Y is 25th. So I have MACHINE. M is 13th letter, A we know is the first one, C is 3rd, H is 8th, I is 9th, N is 14th, and E is 5th letter in the English alphabet. But now the code is 19. For 13 they have used 19, for 1 they have used 7, likewise it is 9, 14, 15, 20 and 11, and the thing which is clearly evident is all these codes are decked up by 6 places. They have increased these by 6 places. So the code is simply English letter code or English position code plus 6. So let us find the code for danger. Ten, 7, 20, 13, 11 and 24. That fits in with option C. Question number 270. One of the terms in the number series 2, 4, 16, 256, 65535 is wrong. Find out the wrong term. Quite an easy one. I'll give a score of half out of 5 for this, because as I was writing this number, I have known the code. I can see that they are just squaring it. 2 is square is 4, 4 is square is 16, 16 is square is 256. Now, how much is 256 is square? 256 is square should end with 6. Now, that is the only catch. Otherwise, 256 square is 65536, but there is no 6 at the end. That means 65535 is the wrong term, and the correct term should be 65536. Option B fits in. Find the number in place of question mark in the given series. Series goes like 5, 11, 17, 25, 33, 43, and then missing number. We can see that series is an increasing series. So whenever we have this increasing series, we have this tendency to find the difference between the two numbers. If we can't identify that they are not doubling or tripling, something like that, we always go in for finding the difference between the two terms. 11 minus 5 is 6. 17 minus 11 is 6. 25 minus 17 is 8. 33 minus 25 is 8. 43 minus 33 is 10. Now if I can see, the pattern goes like 2 times 6, then 2 times 8, and here the difference is 2. Now again the difference is 2. From 8 to 10 it is plus 2. That means this difference should be also 2 times 10. That's the best logic we can fit in. So 43 plus 10 gives us 53. Let's check. In option, do we have 53? Yes. Option D fits in. Alphabetic tree is given. Let me count how many alphabets are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So I don't think that pairing effect will work. But I need to find the next two. T, U, V, W. U, V, and then W. If I write plus 2. P, Q, R, S, T plus 3. M, N, O, P plus 2. I, J, K, L, M plus 3. G, F, G, H, I plus 2. B, C, D, E plus 3. Oh, wonderful. Then if I move from here to here, it should be plus 2. And if I move from this point to this point, it should be plus 3. But for that, first question mark need to be answered. From B, I need to go back 2 places. B minus 1 is A, and then A minus 1 is Z, and then Z minus 1 would be Y. So Y should be featuring here. Y, Z, A, B, F, G, H, I. Wonderful. Now from Y, I need to move back 3 places. So with Y, I have U and V. I select U, U, V, W, X, Y. Y minus 3 is U. Y and U fits in option C. Arrange the words in the meaningful logical order. And we have orange, indigo, red, blue, green, yellow, violet. As I see these 7 colors of rainbow, isn't it? VIBGYOR, Vigor. V is 7, I is 2, B 4, G 5, yellow 6, O orange 1, and R red is 3. 7, 2, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3. Good. Option A fits in. These are the 7 color pattern of rainbow. How many such 5s are there in the following number sequence, each of which is preceded by 3 or 4 but not followed by 8 or 9? There should be 3 or 4 before 5. 5 but 3, 5, 9. No. 5 के आगे there is 9. No. 5, 4 but after that is 5. Fine. 5, 5. No. 5, 3 but after that is 8. Then we have 5, 4. After that is 6. Selected. 5 before that is 3. After that is 7. Selected. 5 before that is 7. Not selected. 5 before that is 5. No. 5 before that is 4. And after that is 2. Again selected. 5 before that is 3. After that is 1, which is neither 8 or 9. So selected. So how many ticks do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how we need to do it. We need to be quick with this. Option D fits in. Question number 275. A woman introduces a man as the son of brother of her mother woman's mother, women's mother, then brother of her mother, mother's brother. That means this particular person is maternal uncle of this woman, and now this man is son of this Mr. X. That means man is son of maternal uncle, mama ji ka ladka, of this woman. Then how is man related to women? Men and women are cousins from maternal family point. Option C fits in. Another question from blood relations. TSR are three brothers. T's son Q is married to K and they have one child, Rahul. M, the son of S, is married to H and this couple is blessed with daughter Madhavi. R has a daughter N who is married to P. This couple has one daughter Karuna. I put minus sign for female and plus sign for male. That is my sinology. How is Madhavi, where we have Madhavi, this is Madhavi, related to S? Madhavi is grandchild of S. Madhavi is granddaughter of S. A shopper in a mart loads his trolley and walks 30 meters through an alley which is going south. So whenever I have this question related to distances and direction, let me first clear up my direction. This is north, south, east. So moving to the right from north is moving right, moving towards south from east is right, moving towards west from south is right, and if I am heading towards west, if I move towards north, it would be moving towards right. And all the movements are basically with 90-degree turn. Let's read it again. A shopper in a mart loads his trolley and walks 30 meters, which is going south. Shopper at A, 30 meters south. Then he turns to his left. That means he turns towards east and walks 10 meter. 10 meter. Now he is facing east. Then he turns north and walks towards another 10 meters. Moving 10 meters north. Then he turns west and walks 45 meter. That means turns towards left now. 45, that means 10 crossed, and then this should be 35, and this is 10, which makes it 45. And then he turns north again and walks 20. So this was 10, this is 20. Again when he is moving towards north to 20, that means he is in line with A right now. Where is he now with reference to his starting position? This is the final position. He is 35 meter towards west. This is 35 meters towards west. Option A fits in. Wonderful. Point N is 8 meter to the west of point O. So first this is north, south, east, west. We have point O. N is 8 meter to the west of O. N, that is 8 meters. P is 4 meter to the south of O. So from O, this should be P towards the south 4. Q is 4 meter to the east of P. P is here, east is here. Q 4. R is 6 meter to the north of Q. 6, that means 4 and 2. 6, this point is R. S is 8 meter to the west of R. R west 8 meters. So first of all it will cover this 4 and then half of this will be 4, that is 8. So this is S. So shall I write 4 4 to make myself clear with this. T is 2 meter to the south of S. 2 meters. This is 4 and this is 6. That means T should lie on the line joining N and O. 2, because if I can see this is 4, so this must be 2, as the total is 6. How far and in which direction is point T from point N? Where is N? Here it is. So this distance was 8 and this is 4. So this remaining distance NT should be 8 minus 4, that is 4. So how far is T from N? 4 meter. Okay. And point T from N. T is to the east of N. 11 students A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K are sitting in a row of the class facing the teacher. Okay. Teacher, 11 people. D, who is to the immediate left of F. Let me count all these as left and all these as right. Immediate left of F, that means there should be DF, is the second to the right of C. C 1 2. So that should be the pattern. Second to the right of C. A is second to the right of E. So right of E, this should be the pattern. Who is at one of the ends? That means E is sitting at one of the ends. If we assume arrangement something like this, now this should be E and this should be A. Confirm. J is immediate neighbor of A and B. That means J is sitting between A and B. Two immediate neighbor means J is sitting between A and B. J confirm, B position confirm. And third to the left of G. So this is third. 1 2 1 2 3. Here we should have G. 1 2 3. Third left of G. H is the immediate left of D. D here we have, and this is immediate left of D. So this should be H. So we are left with C H D F. So we have C H D F, something like this would be there. H is to the immediate left of D and third to the right of I. 1 2 3. Third to the right of I. So we are left with A B C D E F G H I J, and where is K? K should be here. I have formed the entire arrangement. Now let them ask whatever they want. Who is sitting in the middle of the row? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Answer should be I is sitting in the middle of the row. Option B fits in. 6 students A, B, C, D, E and F are sitting on the ground. A and B belong to Ruby house. House are A and B. While the rest belongs to Emerald house. House E is C, D, E, F. D and F are tall. Tall are D and F. I'll cancel out also these. Others are short. Okay, cancellation means short. Tall is tick, short is cross. C and D are wearing glasses while others are not wearing. Glasses. C and D. C is with glass, D is with glass. Otherwise, no glass. Which girl of E house is tall? Girl should be from E. So, this is our set. Girl should be tall. We have D and F. And wearing glasses. Now, out of D and F, only D is wearing glasses. So, common girl is D, who is from E house, is tall and also wearing glasses. Answer is D, which is there in option C. Question number 281. Eligibility test. Here, a candidate is there and we want to select this candidate. Few mandatory conditions would be given. That candidate need to follow all the given conditions. In this question, 4 conditions are given. Few substitute conditions would also be given. And we have substitute for 1. If here condition number 1 is not followed, then we can go for substitute of 1. And we have substitute for 2 also. If condition number 2 is not followed, we may go for substitute condition B. But mind you the trick here, if condition number 3 is not followed or 4 is not followed, straight away candidate should be rejected. So these are also key points. If for a given candidate you get confused over 1 and 2, look out for 3 and 4, which are the only straight mandatory condition. If any of these condition doesn't fits in, he or she can't be selected. If all the 4 straight away fix in, he should be selected. Now if substitute of 1 is taken up, his case should be referred to GM accounts, and if we are taking substitute of 2, his case should be referred to VP accounts. So what are the conditions? He should be 21 years and not more than 26 years as on 1/11/2011. Data are given for 1st November 2011. Gargi Gupte was born on 6th June 1988. So 1988 to 2011, it is 23 years plus. So more than 21, less than 26. First condition fulfilled. Second condition is graduate with at least 55% marks. She had secured 60% aggregate marks in BCom. Done. Condition number 2 also satisfies. Condition number 3, work experience of at least 2 years in accounts department of an organization. She has been working in the accounts department of an organization for past 3 years. Condition number 3 fulfilled. Number 4, have secured at least 50% marks in selection process. But here she have secured 49% marks in the selection process. Number 4 doesn't fits in, and number 4 is mandatory criteria. Since that mandatory criteria doesn't fits in, Gargi Gupte as a candidate, it not to be selected. Option D fits in. Number 282. Give answer if conclusion 1, 2, okay. As we can see, this is from deductive logic. And the best way to solve deductive logic is if we can put in the information given with help of Venn diagrams, circular Venn diagrams. All copies are book. That means copies should be subset of books. No book is a pencil. If no book is a pencil, no copy can either be a pencil. We can have another set for pencil which have no connection with book. All pencils are rubbers. These all pencils are rubbers. Now where is our set for pencils? Because there is no connection as so far given with books and copies. So I can draw like this. All pencil are rubbers. Or we can end up getting a Venn diagram like this. All copies are books, pencils, and then all pencils are rubbers. This can be also the Venn diagram. Again, I can have copies, books, pencils, and rubbers also covering part of copies. So we can have 3 set. Now any conclusion should fit in all 3 if that need to be correct. What is conclusion 1? No copy is a pencil. Here no copy is a pencil. 1 tick. Here no copy is a pencil. 2 tick. Here no copy is a pencil. 3 tick. That means this conclusion gets ticked in all the 3 Venn diagrams. Conclusion 1 follows. Conclusion 2. Some books are rubbers. Some books are rubbers, not following in Venn diagram 1. It is not following in Venn diagram 1. No need to check for Venn diagram 2 and 3 because ultimately conclusion 2 will not follow. So we can see that only conclusion 1 follows. So we would be marking A because only conclusion 1 follows. Option A fits in. Thank you everyone for participating. Please subscribe to the channel. You can see the Telegram ID and email ID on your screen. Send in your doubts, your suggestion. We would be happy to solve it for you. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm MOHIT JAIN signing off from MJ's Maths and Stats. Thank you everyone.